morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on this Friday morning. And as you can see, we're still continuing to track some of those lake effect snow bands coming together here. This band stretching from Holland into central Allegan County down toward Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. Another band from South Haven to Three Rivers. Yet another band stretches from around Benton Harbor, St. Joe down toward Cassopolis and Dowagiac. And if you get underneath one of these bands, visibility goes from really good to almost a whiteout in just a matter of minutes, in just a matter of seconds. But you can see, again, these bands are really in the process now of falling apart. So the lingering snow showers and snow flurries will come to an end over the next couple of hours. Winter weather advisory also coming to an end at 7 o'clock this morning. So just minutes from now, lakeshore areas, and then also included within that was Cass, Kalamazoo, and St. Joseph counties. You can see downtown Holland, visibility is good. Pavement is wet, where we've got those melter chemicals out there with temperatures in the 20s. The salt, the other melter agents, able to be very, very effective. But any untreated road, secondary and side streets, neighborhood roads, sidewalks, parking lots, driveways, those sorts of things could be very, very slippery with a layer of ice underneath some of that fresh, very light snow. 20s currently in our inland areas, around or a touch above 30 along the lakeshore. And today, again, we're tracking fairly quiet conditions for today, other than slippery travel conditions and those morning snow showers. Will be dry tonight, dry early tomorrow, but a weekend storm system is on the horizon, which is going to bring widespread heavy snow into the region. 4 to 8 inches of snow or more likely to fall with this system, which is going to be a very long duration winter weather event with the snow falling for several hours starting tomorrow early afternoon. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite this morning. And again, this area of light snow out there this morning is going to be falling apart. Developing system off to our west, that is what's going to be coming in our direction. So we quiet down today into tonight. Then tomorrow, we're going to be turning our attention off to our west, and as the system moves eastward, you can see it's going to be producing a huge swath of snow in the upper Midwest and Great Lakes region. So if you do have travel plans for tomorrow, keep in mind you're going to want to pack that winter weather survival kit, as this is going to be an area-wide system that comes through. As the low pressure center moves away from us, we'll open the door for dry conditions to roll back in as we head into Sunday afternoon into the evening hours. A look at the future track, though. Really heavy snowfall off to our west, but once again, some of those computer models are suggesting that across central and southern lower Michigan, we're also going to pick up at least a half foot of snow out of the system, and from Allegan, Hastings, Middleville off to the south, about 8 to 10 inches of snow likely with this system. So again, the breakdown with the snow, the heaviest off to the south and the lesser amounts off to the north and east of Grand Rapids, but even up toward Big Rapids and Newaygo, easily 4 to 5 inches of snow. So that's why weather ready alert days are in effect for Saturday night into at least the first part of the day Sunday. As we head back to work and back to school early next week, we hold on to the cold air, but no major storm systems are on the horizon, and the setup really is not favorable for significant lake effect behind this system either. And the 8 to 14 day outlook takes us into that second week of December, keeps the cold air funneling into the Great Lakes region and upper Midwest, so winter is going to hang on for a while.